Hello, I'm Dr. Roberts Luca. I work with A Rocha, leading the Global Marine Conservation Program, and I'm privileged to serve with the A Rocha Kenya Marine Team.
Let me explain what's going on. The Marine program was started by Dr. Robert Bob Sluka in 2011, and these are the major projects right now. First, let's meet Peter Musila.
Hello, my name is Peter Musila. I am a marine conservation biologist, and I work here in the A Rocha Kenya Marine program. And one of our projects is actually studying sharks and rays, because here in the marine park we have over 13 species that are threatened to extinction. Among them, the critically endangered halavi guitarfish. So we are studying how their population trends over time and how they are using the habitats of the protected area, and also engaging the local fishermen, students, and other community people, including fishermen, on awareness and their conservation. Another project we are currently working is plastic pollution awareness and noddle hunt on the beach. So this includes just learning on the effects of plastic and doing beach cleanups and hunting for the minute nodules that are the basis of all plastics in the world. And we are very privileged to be right here in one of the oldest marine protected area in Africa, actually. Which hosts a lot of tourists in a year, and it's a major source of livelihood for very many people, which sometimes can also be a disadvantage to the coral reefs in that area, as irresponsible tourism can cause a lot of damage and degradation to the reefs there. My colleagues Philip and Simon will also talk on more projects that we are working on, and Lucky as well. So, welcome.
My name is Simon Kenga. I work in A Rocha Kenya, and I'm spearheading the coral gardening program. And coral gardening started last year, 2024. It was just a pilot study that we have been doing, and later on we found it successfully. That's why we went ahead and doing it. Before, the reef was like degraded, but that's why we came up with the idea of planting corals, and with the aid of KWS, A Rocha Kenya, and even Reef Care, together we came up with that idea and we are implementing. So far, the number of fish that are gone down, now you can find them again reviving back to their normal niches.
So far, so good. Some of the planted corals are doing really well, and this is super encouraging to see, but we still have a really long road ahead of us and a lot of work to do.
Sawa. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Philip Otieno. I work in A Rocha Kenya as a marine research assistant since 2024 in June. I'm a lead I lead a project in Mida Creek. I'm doing subtidal biodiversity assessment and habitat mapping there. Basically that involves going underwater and snorkeling at the same time while trying to identify anything and everything that is found there and documenting it for conservation purposes. And the map is also for the same, just conservation purposes. I took this project over from Dawn, who's a citizen science. She's been taking photographs and videos of the fish and all organisms that are found there since 2020. And the other marine programs that are happening here, I participate in all of them. But for the Mida Creek one, I'm the leader there, I'm the champion there. It's nice talking to you guys, and I hope you guys will be following us soon.
Before hearing from Lucky, let us hear from our marine consultant and coral expert Benjamin Cowburn on coral monitoring.
Hi everyone, my name's Benjo. I've been working with A Rocha Kenya Marine Program since 2011. Initially did my PhD way back in the teenies, and we were looking at climate change and coral reefs. Now, the reefs of Kenya have been hit by multiple bleaching events, and as of 2025 we've sort of had 8 major events in Watamu. The first one was in 1998, and the most recent one was actually just last year in 2024. And about 5 years ago in 2020, with the marine program, we set up our current long-term monitoring program. We've got 70 plots dotted around the park at 4 different main reefs, and within there we've tracked 600 individual colonies and watched how they've grown or bleached and sometimes sadly died. And why we do this, corals make up the entire reef system and all the other organisms that live on it. So a key thing that we're trying to do through our monitoring is look at the health, the growth and the survival of the corals in Watamu. And we're also looking at other things that are growing on the bottom as well, like particularly seaweeds, which we call macroalgae. And we want to see a low level of macroalgae, because macroalgae can compete with corals for light and space, and they can also release chemicals that make it less suitable for coral growth.
My name is Lucky Kahindi, the man behind the camera. They also call me Lucky.underwater. I'm the underwater filmmaker here in A Rocha. I'm working as a marine technician, and basically I help everywhere I could, like in every project that they are doing here in A Rocha. Beside that, I have my own project called fish grazing. Basically, we are trying to see if herbivorous fish can help us cleaning the table. Because initially we were using a lot of time, a lot of energy cleaning these tables.
We're glad to say the experiment showed positive results, and for that reason exactly, we moved the nursery tables to the nearby reefs. Beyond the data we collect and the research we conduct beneath the waves, our mission reaches further, into classrooms, shorelines, and young hearts. Meet Lena, our environmental educator whose passion for the ocean turns science into storytelling. Through her work, students are discovering the importance of sharks and rays, the beauty of corals, and the hidden life in Mida Creek.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena. I work for A Rocha Kenya as the Environmental Education Officer. And it's been an exciting first time of the year just to engage with students and learn so much about corals. It's so fascinating how you see, the wow in their eyes. I mean, before, nobody knew about corals. First, I remember the first visit we did, but right now, they're really pumped and they're ready to learn more and more. And I'm looking forward to teaching them so much, and I'm happy to take you along on this journey.